What is up, everyone? This is Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the no audio output devices installed for Windows 10 error that you may be possibly getting. So let's get right into this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and you want to actually type in something called troubleshoot. So this troubleshoot settings will actually pop up, and in here we're going to click into additional troubleshooters, and when you're here you're going to find something called playing audio, because this is where you can kind of see your audio device actually not working. So we're going to run the troubleshoot over here. You're going to see it's going to say detecting problem, and if obviously you're watching this video and you have a said problem, it'll actually tell you like, hey, first, actually, it'll tell you which device you have a problem for. So as you can see, I have multiple speakers. I actually have external speakers. So let's just go with the external speakers. And it tells you like, okay, what can you do? You can do audio enhancements. Do not open them. It'll tell you like you can turn them off. You can turn them on. You can try all those different things on how to essentially fix this. Now, if obviously doing those does not end up fixing your issue, you can kind of move on to the next thing, which is you want to go back to the search bar and you want to write device manager, and you want to open up the device manager that'll pop up over here. So in here we're going to do two things. The first thing is in sound, video, and game controller over here, you can actually find your driver, like whichever one's causing the problem. So like for, let's just say the Realtek one that I was specifically working with, you can do update driver. See if you have the latest drivers for this. You can search it. It'll tell you if you do or not. And if you do, and this doesn't actually fix it, you can actually uninstall it, restart your computer, and it'll reinstall these softwares or drivers for you in your computer. So you can actually kind of do that. The next thing you can actually do is you can go to the driver or the controller itself in system devices and find the accurate one that's applicable to you here. And similarly, uninstall it. First, try to update it by right-clicking into it. See if you can do update driver. Scan it. If it finds it, great. If it doesn't, same thing. Uninstall it. Reinstall it by restarting your computer, and you should be then good to go. And this error should not persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically. I wanted to make that quick video showing you how you guys can basically fix this error, and yeah, take it from there. If you guys overall like this video, please smash that like button. It helps a lot. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. Other than that, more tutorials out. Peace.